Hi guys, it's Chef Aviv here. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you my secret of how to make crispy fried chicken. Here I have some Japanese breadcrumbs called panko, 2 eggs, chicken breast water, flour, garlic powder, salt, smoked paprika, black pepper. Let's start. We're going to start with the eggs first. We're going to add the water and the flour. I'm going to start with 2 teaspoons. Let's whisk and make sure we don't have any lumps. Let's add another teaspoon and mix well. In total, I'm gonna add 4 teaspoons. After we finish with the eggs mix, now we're gonna move to the breadcrumbs. We're gonna add the spices and mix well. Now we're gonna take the chicken breast. We're going to put it in the egg mix and then the breadcrumbs. Classic fried chicken. Normally you soak the chicken in buttermilk, but I don't want to mix dairy and chicken. So I use flour and eggs to create the thickness of the buttermilk and make the chicken crispy as possible. We're going to repeat the process of the egg wash and the breadcrumbs one more time to create a thick layer, and that's what's going to make the chicken crispy as possible. Always use a wide pan so you're gonna have enough space for the chicken. I'm adding canola oil. I'm going to cook the chicken on medium for about 5 to 6 minutes each side. It's time to turn it over. As you can see, we have beautiful, nice golden color. Here's a little secret for you guys. Everybody know the classic dish chicken parmesan. So you just take a slice of cheese, put it on top, take tomato sauce and put the chicken on the tomato sauce and just put it on the broil for about 4 to 5 minutes. Let's take the chicken out. Overall, I cooked the chicken for about 10 minutes. Here we have our fried chicken. I'm serving it with a light salad on the side. Enjoy, guys. I'm Chef Aviv. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe